Aarushi. I'm Nilay.
I'm Jeevith.
We are from Excel Public School, Mysore, and students of grade 8.
So why did we choose to build H&Isync? Well, we noticed that there weren't many fun tools for improving hand and eye coordination, especially for kids.
And we wanted to change that. We wanted to create something that makes learning enjoyable and interactive.
Now, let's give you a closer look at our project H&Isync.
We've used electronic components like IR sensors, load sensors, and an Arduino Mega to make the game interactive and fun.
The game involves tossing an object, placing cubes in pits, and catching the object before it falls. If you miss, the game ends instantly.
Now, let's talk about what makes H&Isync special.
The IR sensors count the cubes in the pits, and the LCD display shows the points in real time. When the cube is placed into the nearer pit, 1 point will be awarded, whereas when the cube is placed in the farther pit, 2 points are added.
We added a failure detection mechanism using load sensors. If you miss catching the object, it triggers and ends the game.
So that's H&Isync, a game that makes learning and skill improvement fun and exciting.
This can be used in many places, including schools, home, and sports center. We have all contributed equally in all the aspects of the project.
Thank you.